Despite the strict rules of only 30 people in a restaurant and 1.5 meters between the tables, many in the Netherlands could not wait to socialize. With the relatively high number of nearly 6,000 reported COVID-19 deaths, the government has been blamed for being too lenient. Most markets like this one have remained open after a so-called intelligent lockdown was enforced. The Dutch have chosen to have a 1.5 meters distance between each other because that's the equivalent of 2 arm lengths and easy to remember. But with markets and other public places becoming busier, those who belong to high-risk groups are even more scared to go outside. Mira Thompson is forced to stay in isolation until a vaccine is found because of her weak lungs. The singer lost most of her income, now she can't perform. She says the government has created a divide within society.
The more freedom others have, the less we have it. And it's quite strange because the risk group, if you want to call it that, has been left out already. So it's actually the divide is becoming, the division is becoming more and more.
While masks are now mandatory on public transport, the government has officially discouraged people from wearing them anywhere else. Health activists say this proves that the government still aims to achieve the so-called herd immunity by letting the virus spread.
If those possibilities have not been fully exhausted, I don't see why choosing mitigation can be seen as anything other than an utter failure to protect the people you're morally and legally obligated to protect, and even to the point of considering it a crime against humanity even.
The government was not available to comment on the allegations. Looking at busy parks at its first day of renewed freedom, worries about a second wave of infections seem far away. Step Vaesen, Al Jazeera, Amsterdam.